What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jimmy Fallon with TarverAcademy.com. It's time to get our learn on, shall we? Okay, so let's look at our problem today. John is considering accepting one of two sales positions. ABC Company offers a yearly salary of $45K. XYZ offers a yearly salary of $38K plus 2% annual commission. Annual is per year. On sales, for what amount of sales? S. Hey S, you're going to be important. Is the salary at XYZ Company greater than the salary of ABC Company? All right, guys, go ahead and pause this. Try to work this problem. This is a classic algebra example. You'll see this forever. Ready, go. Okay, that was nice. Okay. All right, so now we're looking at this problem. First thing I'm going to do is set it up. Okay, so we're comparing two companies. The first one's just giving you $45,000. All right, kids are like, when will I ever use math in real life? Well, you're using it right now, bruh. Okay, and we want to know whenever is the other company, which is $38,000, when is that one going to be greater than this one? Okay, essentially, when's that salary? What's that salary got to jack up to until we get higher than this little guy? Okay, so we're not done because you're not just making $38,000 there. You got to look at this. This is the key. We've done that part. We've done that part. We just need to do the 2% annual commission. Okay, so 2% of something. How do you find 2% of something? Well, let's see. If you wanted to find 2% of 100, you would just multiply 100 times 0.02, and then you would get 2. That's 2% of 100. Okay, so remember, we got to move the decimal over twice right there. So it'd be 38,000. If I said 3,800 or 4,500 here, just ignore that. I'm sorry. 38,000. I'm talking big money. We got S, which we don't know. I would usually use X, but since they gave me S, fine, whatever. Times 0.02, and I'm putting it in parentheses because like it looks weird to put like S.02. That would just look weird. So I'm parentheses. That means multiply. Okay. Now we're just solving this inequality. All right. So the first step is we got to get rid of what's furthest away from our variable. So we subtract 38,000 from both sides. It goes away there. That becomes 7,000. Remember, you only switch this sign right here, like flip it, whenever you multiply or divide a negative across, which we didn't. We just subtracted. That's different. Multiplying and dividing a negative is different from subtracting, okay? So now we're left with S times 0.02, okay? What's the opposite of multiplying? Ladies and gentlemen are so smart. We're going to divide. So divide by 0.02. And you're like, oh, that's probably going to be a little bitty small number. Yeah, put that in your calculator. I'll wait. Psych, I'm not going to wait. It's $350,000. So that's how much you got to make in annual sales. It sounds like a lot, but if what you're selling is expensive or people are buying a bunch of it, not that bad. So if you put D, guess what? You're a genius. Go ahead and tell your teacher you passed all your classes. All right, guys, you can check us out. Oh, that's me. Excuse me. That's embarrassing. And then TarverAcademy.com for all your mathematical needs. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Sonic the Hedgehog. I want to let you know that if you click that little circle to subscribe, then we're going to send you $2 million in the mail. You just got to go to the bank and pay for it. Subscribe. I don't